Good afternoon, everybody. Don Snyder with Evolution Deep Clean. Spring has finally come. You know, one of the best parts is people want to get some of the other stuff clean, and we are having fun working out here. They want us to clean out their vehicle. We got Andrew right here getting all the mats together. We're going to clean a few rugs. The reason for Evolution Deep Clean is that whatever needs to be deep cleaned, that's what we do. Your cars, your driveways, your tile, floors, upholstery. So don't think of us as just a carpet cleaner. We're here to make sure that you have a clean, healthy, and beautiful environment for both your home and business. So give us a call, 407-476-8525. We would love the opportunity to make you guys love your floors again. Y'all have a wonderful day and do something outside since the sun's finally out. We'll see you soon.